In this video, we are going to explore the SQL COUNT function. This function is essential for counting records in a database table. It helps in summarizing and analyzing your data effectively. The COUNT function is a very useful tool in SQL. It's an aggregate function, which means it takes multiple values and returns a single summary value. Specifically, COUNT returns the number of rows that match a specified condition. It is one of the most commonly used SQL functions and always returns a single numeric value, representing the count. Count is often used in select statements, especially with the group by clause to count items within groups. To illustrate, imagine a database table with several rows. The count function can count all the rows, giving you a total number of records in the table. Let's look at the basic syntax of the count function. The first form is select count asterisk from table name. This counts all rows in the specified table, including those with null values. The second form is select count column name from table name. This counts the number of non-null values in a specific column of the table. Lastly, we have select count distinct column name from table name. This counts the number of unique, non-null values in a specific column. As a simple example, consider an employees table. The query, select count asterisk from employees, will return the total number of employees in the table. Now let's see how we can use the count function with a where clause to filter records. For example, the SQL query, select count asterisk from employees where department equals IT, will count the number of employees specifically in the IT department. Similarly, select count salary from employees where salary greater than 50,000 will count the number of employees with a salary greater than 50,000. The where clause is applied before the count function, filtering the records based on the specified condition. The count function can also be used with the group by clause. This is very helpful for grouping records and counting them within each group. For instance, the SQL query, select department, count asterisk from employees group by department, will return the number of employees in each department. In addition, you can combine the where clause with group by. The query, select department, count asterisk from employees where salary greater than 50,000 group by department, will return the number of employees with a salary greater than 50,000 in each department. Group by is very useful for data aggregation, allowing you to summarize data based on different categories. The having clause is used to filter the results of a group by query, based on aggregate functions like count. For example, the SQL query select department, count asterisk from employees group by department having count asterisk greater than 1, will return only those departments that have more than one employee. In contrast to the where clause, which filters individual rows before grouping, the having clause filters groups after the group by clause has been applied. Consider another example. Select country, count asterisk from customers group by country having count asterisk greater than or equals to 5 order by count asterisk desk. This query finds countries with 5 or more customers and orders them by the number of customers in descending order. Let's discuss some best practices for using the count function. It's generally recommended to use count asterisk for counting all rows, regardless of null values. If you need to count non-null values in specific columns, use count column name. Also, for performance reasons, consider indexing columns that are frequently used in where and group by clauses. Avoid using count on large tables without proper filtering, as it can impact performance. And finally, there is no need to use count 1 instead of count asterisk, as they perform the same in modern databases. As practical examples, select count asterisk from customers will count the total number of customers. Select country, count asterisk from customers group by country order by count asterisk desk, will count the number of customers by country and order them in descending order. And select country, count asterisk from customers group by country having count asterisk greater than or equals to 5, will find countries with 5 or more customers. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.